Hi there, Dominic, the CX guy. Well, Dominic, the Roca guy now. The branding has changed, but the commitment to helping customers have meaningful experiences has not only remained the same, but it's actually increased. Welcome to the channel. I'm happy to have you here. This is quite a surprise. Let me move this up here to get a better view so I can see you better and you can also see me. Well, I can't see you obviously, but you can see me. So, yeah, the color is, well, the lighting is very weird. I am in a new office and I'm doing my best here with the lighting. Hopefully it's going to be even better in the future. So welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about, today's topic is going to be Sunshine custom objects and especially asset management in Zendesk Sunshine and in Zendesk. I am so excited to present to you this app that we've worked so hard for, myself and my team. We've worked so hard to create this app for asset management in Zendesk Sell. Zendesk Sell, if you're not familiar with it, is the new sales tool from Zendesk. It's not exactly new. It's actually maybe 2 years old, but it's still new because it's still gaining traction. It's the tool that is right now recommended to Zendesk, recommended by Zendesk to use for your sales pipeline. I use it for my own business or for our business. I use it and I enjoy it more and more. So while using it, I came across some needs, right? So one of the needs that I had is to assign different objects to different customers. So I don't just walk the walk. I don't just talk the talk, but I also walk the walk, right? Because we have this business that we're growing, and yeah, we're using ZenSL and we're trying to make it the best possible. So yeah, I am today very proud to present to you the Zendesk Cell Sunshine Asset Management app. So if you're unfamiliar with Zendesk Sunshine, it's the oh my God, I'm telling you so much new thing. Zendesk Sunshine is the data modeling system from Zendesk that actually the Zendesk provides and allows you to create various additional data models, right? So in Zendesk, you have 3 data types, very big ones, right? So you have organizations. Organizations can have users, and users can have tickets, right? Well, that's not enough, right? You need maybe more data models, right? You need a fourth one, which is maybe products. You need a fifth one, which is maybe subscription type. You need a sixth one, which is called, I don't know, car or device or, I don't know, coupon or item, product, you name it, right? So this is something which you can now use in Zendesk. Well, the good thing is about this app is that it provides you with the ability to assign objects to your customers. Now you have to create the objects beforehand in Zendesk and create relationships for it. I bet nobody missed me mispronouncing words, but yeah. Video editing has not yet come high up in my list. It will, but not now. So today, let's dig into this demo. I'm so excited to show it to you. Oh my God, I worked so hard for it. And I don't know, I see a great utility for it. I hope you will find it useful as well. So the way that this works is I'm going to share my screen and I'll walk you through demos. This is why we're here, people, right? We look at demos. We see how things get done in Zendesk. All right, so let's see. Now we do a screen share and we look at Zendesk Cell. Doo-doo-doo. All right, so first things first, I hope you can see the screen, hiding floating windows. All right, so this is me in Zendesk Cell. The app is Zendesk Roca. Here we go. So the app is here. This is the one, right? You go in. No, thank you, Zendesk. You go in, you install this. It's very easy. You get a free trial, 30 days. It's amazing. It's if you don't like it, you just don't. You just tell me, and you're out. You don't need it, right? You don't want to use it. You don't feel that it's useful, then you just throw it out the window. You don't use it. So this is just some images. I'm so proud. This is actually I did. I'm the designer. I wear so many hats. I don't know. I'm lost like how many I have. Well, so the features that this app has for ZenSL is that you can view custom objects that you have created. You can assign custom objects to contacts in ticket view. Well, actually in ZenSL, not in ticket view. So you can only assign to contacts and deals. Leads are out. Leads don't. We don't know leads very well first, right? These are prospects. These are people that we have not necessarily understood very well. So we don't have the ability to assign objects to them, but we can assign to contacts and leads. We can assign objects to those people. You see the list of objects that your contacts own, right? So if you have created some, if you have assigned already some objects to your customers, then you can see that list of what they own, and you can edit those and you can delete them. And then the benefits of this is that you have a 360 view of your customers. You save agent time because they don't have to ask the customer like, oh, what products do you have or do you own, etc. Right? You don't waste time on third-party discussions and yeah, can you please tell me who the person is? You don't have to log into your third-party database to see information about the customer. You have it directly there to see. You solve requests faster, right? Because it helps you have contextualized view of your customers, and you can very easily dig into and yeah, create opportunities for your contacts. You get a firm grip on your business, obviously, because you have more context. Your agents, your sales agents know exactly who they're talking to. They know how to create opportunities, and you can also create reports on this, right? Because you can see in reports right now, Zendesk Sunshine also offers you the possibility to see reports, which is awesome. And you can have the possibility to have one source of truth in Zendesk, right? You don't have to have your data scattered in multiple systems. You can just have it in Zendesk. Now, after you have installed this, after you will have installed this, then you should be able to go in here in your Zendesk, and let's just take this user and let's rock and roll and see how this works. I'm so excited. Oh my God, oh my God. So this guy, Dominic, the CX guy, you might know him from previous videos or you might not. Why I'm speaking in the third person, I have no idea. I just thought it would be fun. Anyway, this user has no objects assigned to themselves, right? So what I can do now is, of course, I see that they have no objects and I can assign an object and add object. Now, it asks me like, what object? Select an object. And these are all objects that I have created previously in my Zendesk. So I have a Canon, car, laptop, iPhone. Let's add an iPhone maybe. And it asks me the model. Let's say an iPhone 11, the serial number, blah, let's add a serial number. The year this was created was fabricated, created 219. Description. It's still working well, right? So this user has used it, but it's still working well. You can give it to someone else, right? So you can assign it to someone else. Your devices, right? You can keep track of your devices, who used them and the history of the device, and you can assign it to someone else. So I saved this, object created, boom. This is what it looks like. So right now I can see the list of my of my objects. So I can delete this, I can edit it, right? I can edit it, I can go back and say, yeah, are you sure you want to delete it? No, I don't want to delete it right now, but I can also add another one and I can choose something else, product, whatever. All right, now I have to walk you through how to do this well, right? So you now see, let's say the gist of it, how it looks like, all good. Now I'm going to walk you through the how to create custom objects, right? Using the Zendesk interface. So you have to create the objects and you have to create relationships. Keep in mind that this is for contacts in Cell and deals in Cell. It's not for leads, okay? Leads are strangers still. We don't know who they are. We can assign objects to people that we know, contacts and deals. This was the thought process behind it. Now, let's go to our settings. Let's go to our objects. Wait a second. Where are we? Here we go. So custom objects. Now, as you might recognize this is actually taking us to Admin Center where I'm not logged in. Let's log in. So I am here in the Admin Center where you're maybe familiar with where you can create objects, right? So I have custom objects and I have objects and relationships. Again, you have to create these in advance. The prerequisite is you have to create them in advance so they get displayed in the app and you can assign them freely to whoever you want. Now, let's get cracking and create an object. So let's go add an object. All right, so let's give it a name. Let's call this, I don't know. What can this be? Let this be a subscription. Subscription, and then we add some properties. All right, so type of subscription. This is a string. I can add a number. I can add an integer, but I cannot add a Boolean. Reason for why this is because it's not supported by the system. So that it's the only available ones are strings and numbers, and a Boolean is also there. Integer, that's something which we don't support. So yeah, you have all the rest, which is actually more than enough. That's good. So add this one. No, not required. Add another one, please. So type of subscription. I want details about this subscription, please. String as well. Add another. Let's add a serial for this subscription. This one I want it to be a number, please. Add a number. And then let's see what else would a subscription, a type of subscription, the details about the subscription, a serial number, and what else would be relevant here? Let's just imagine that that's it. Let's just say add. Okay. Now, this one I don't need. Delete this one, please. Thank you. Now I have to save these. Now I have it here, subscription, right? So we're almost done. Now we need to create a relationship. Like, who has a subscription? How many subscriptions can a contact actually install? Can they have one subscription, so one-to-one relationship, or can they have many subscriptions, types of subscriptions, right? So that would mean one-to-many. So we need to create the relationship. We go to relationships and we add a relationship. We call this one contact has, sorry, I need to write them like this. It doesn't even let me do it. Otherwise, contact has subscription. Subscriptions, plural. Source, now I have to choose contact. Zendesk contact. Not a one-to-one, I want one-to-many. Target has to be the subscription. Here we go. Right, so the contact has one-to-many relationships, subscriptions. So a contact can have many subscriptions. Save. Alrighty, so now we're going to do the almighty holy refresh screen. We're going to do the same here, almighty refresh screen, because this is the way to make things take effect in Zendesk. And now let's go back to our contacts. Let's look for Dominic, this guy. So now I still know what this guy has, right? Here we go, add an object, and here we go, the new one, subscription. And okay, what type of subscription is this? It's a yearly, maybe? Details, I don't know, professional, pro. And serial is a number. I can just put the serial and then let's see, save and object created. Here we go. Here it is. Now I can have multiple subscription and I can add an object, a subscription, a yearly, a pro. This one is elite and I have a different serial number. Save it. Boom. And here we go, right? So object created again. So subscription, iPhone, right? And yeah, this is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is a way for you to keep track of the objects and the items and the subscriptions and the products that somebody owns. Now, you can have multiple utilities of this because you can always know what everyone owns, right? And you know, for example, you synchronize it with an SKU, right? So the number of items that you have, the products that you have, you can do all sorts of stuff, which I'm only just telling you a few examples, which I hope they make sense. I hope this demo is good. I don't know, it's explicit enough for you to understand how it works. I'm very excited about it. I can't wait for you to use it. Try it out. Give me feedback. Give us feedback, actually, because we're a whole team now. So now no longer Dominic CX and that's it. So yeah, I am looking forward to getting your feedback. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.